update on our stately Tudor project. Come on in. So we're gonna start out here with our gorgeous new front door. Isn't it amazing? Jamie drove to Chicago for me. It came out of an old house. It was white, so he had to strip it down. He sanded all these little tiny crevices. It took forever, but it is like my favorite piece of the entire home. When we first bought this home, I told Jamie that I loved everything about it, but I wish it had a curved front door. And Jamie was like, we can do that. And look at it.
I want to tell you guys just how perfectly it turned out. So can I tell?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
I don't know.
This door was the exact width we needed. Literally, when I put in the jam, there was no shims. It was just perfect to the old width of the old door. We also had some siding in the attic we found, so it couldn't have gone better. We made an oak threshold, which is pretty cool. So it kind of naturally leads right into our oak flooring. I think it looks great.
It does.
Come on in.
Let's show it off. Come on.
It was definitely a labor of love. I spent probably at least 15 hours, maybe 20 hours, stripping this door of the white old paint. And it looks great now. It looks like it's meant to be here. It looks like it's always been on this house.
I agree.
Come on in.
If you guys remember, this entryway started off with tile down here, carpeted stairs, and a wood banister. So we have really done a lot just in this entryway, and it's coming together. I'm still searching for a few perfect pieces, but we got this beautiful wallpaper. Ripped the old wallpaper out, put in my new wallpaper. This is Rifle Paper Company wallpaper. I will link it below. It's beautiful. So come on in this way. If you guys remember, there was a large wall here and here, lots of walls everywhere. So my dream for this house is to actually make this front family room our kitchen.
This is a newly developed idea.
And now it's open. So this is our kitchen. It's not finished. We still have a little bit of work to do with tile, vent hood, and that kind of thing, but we got our countertops in recently. Oh, look, whoosh. It's pretty.
What's the whoosh for?
The waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Whoosh.
Okay, gotcha.
Sound of a waterfall. Okay. The kitchen used to be on that side of the house, which
over there. Still disaster.
Still working on.
It's all our construction supplies.
Yep, that will become a sunroom slash a mini kitchenette slash bar for like the pool area. But this now is our kitchen. So super inviting when you come in the house. You guys remember when we painted these cabinets green? And then here is our tile. I picked out like a cobblestone-y color. We were gonna go with a terracotta, but it was just not working for me. It was too much. So I got like my old world feel with my cobblestone tile, but it's...
And we found something special for there, right?
Copper vent hood. Got it on Marketplace, drove to the middle of nowhere to get it. I'm not gonna show you yet. That'll be upcoming, but a copper vent hood. We got tile coming.
Also, if you're an OG subscriber, you recognize that from our old house. We got it again. We love it so much.
Yes, we do love that. That is from West Elm. I looked high and low for a new light fixture, but I was like, I still love that one, so we got it again. Yeah, so we've really done a lot in here, and this kitchen is now fully functioning, where if you guys were following along all summer, we were without a kitchen, so it's just so nice to have a kitchen again. We just have to finish all the finishing detail touches. We're gonna add in some wood shelving and something like that. So when we built this island, we purposefully left it blank down here so we could do a really cool tile accent. We ended up going with something a little more modern, but it has some variations to the blacks and the grays, so it looks kind of like hand-crafted tile. So that's gonna be in a very soon upcoming video. So we're gonna be doing our tile down here. I think it's gonna be really cool contrasting with this. I wanted to add in some natural raw wood, so we got these bar stools. So I'm really trying hard to do some modern, but also some really old world feel. So my sister gave us this gorgeous piece of leaded glass we're gonna put up here. Our kitchen right now is pretty modern, and the original goal was to really make it charming and just have a lot of character. So we're adding that back in, but, excuse you. Sorry. But we're starting super modern, and then we're gonna add in all that charm. So it starts here. It even has like weathered green paint to match our cabinets. Good job.
Living room now connects to the kitchen. It looks great in here. We took down a lot of walls. We're gonna reiterate that. Quite impressive, if I do say so myself. But it feels so open in here, yet there's still some character. It's really cool. The whole main floor is this unfinished oak that we finished ourselves. It was a huge project, but it looks great. We also recently, at least I did, this is one of the behind the scenes things, but these sliders were really old and nasty, so I replaced 2 sliding doors with brand new ones. That needed to be done before winter. There was also some leaks in the basement because of the old ones. So that was something kind of you would never notice on a video, but it was a big project to do. We also hired a plumber to put a gas log in our fireplace. So now,
come on.
There it is. We have a gas fireplace, so we can turn it on whenever we want heat or ambiance. So before we get any further into the video, we want to talk about today's video sponsor, Fairy Bell. Fairy Bell is a premier Christmas tree light company that makes lighted trees of all sizes up to 12 meters.
So this is our first Christmas in our new house, and we've always said that this house is meant for Christmas. It just like looks like Christmas when you come up the driveway. So
Santa's gonna be coming right down this chimney, it seems like.
Yes. So I really feel like Fairy Bell is just leveling up our Christmas spirit around here. We got this beautiful new 20-foot Christmas tree outside. Right as you come down the driveway, you can see it. It's really prominent, really beautiful. It has over 900 LED lights on it.
All Fairy Bell Christmas trees are made with energy-efficient LED lights, so you don't have to worry about power consumption during these dark winter days.
Fairy Bell products are weatherproof, and then they offer trees from 1.5 meters all the way up to 12 meters.
That would be pretty tall.
That's a tall one.
That's a very tall tree. But the portable collapsible flagpole system really makes it easy. So you can have a really giant tree lit up and that collapses down and stores really easily in your basement or attic during the summer months. The girls had a lot of fun helping us set up the tree, and they absolutely love when we come home around 5 o'clock and it's dark this time of year and we have this beautiful lit up Christmas tree.
So we will put a link below if you're interested in learning more about Fairy Bell. We will also include a coupon code for 10% off for the rest of the year. So go ahead and click on that below. It's painting. Green!
Green. I like your sweatshirt.
Thank you.
You must like that color.
Yeah, you know.
Good job.
Oh, it's stressful.
It's looking good.
So one of my favorite projects of this whole house is this tiny little bathroom. Come on in. So we wanted this to be just funky and fun, but also kind of moody and vintage. So we added in so much fun stuff. The tile is from Lowe's. So we added in just funky wallpaper, these kind of vintage looking sconces. We got this off, is like an old secretary desk that we took the bottom off of and made it into a vanity. Just a lot of really cool, unique pieces in here. The green, I've always wanted to paint a ceiling of a room. You guys have probably seen that. It's like really popular right now. So we painted the entire room green, including the ceiling, and it is definitely darker in here, but it like just draws you in and feels so cozy. So love it. Jamie did all the wainscoting. So there's a lot of little details in this room that we spent a lot of time on, but I think it just really helps it all come together. These doorknobs we got throughout the house. These are just from Amazon, but don't they look old and pretty? I'll link those below. They're so, so pretty. I love just all these little details coming together in our home. So the really cool thing about our front door is that from the inside, it is so beautiful. It just adds in a nice warm wood touch, but it contrasts with our light oak floors. It's just like my favorite part of the whole house, inside and out. So pretty. I love all the light it lets into. So if you want to follow me on over to our dining room.
This wall we took out too.
Yes.
Right? Cut that out.
So many walls. But it still feels like separated in here, but it's like open. Love it. We haven't actually done a ton in here except for take out a lot of cabinetry and wallpaper and make it all fresh and clean. Add in our light fixture. We did redo this table. I found these chairs on Marketplace and we recovered them. They're gorgeous. They're very Anthropologie-esque, but I got them for very cheap. So the plan in here, as you can see, my swatches on this wall, green, which Jamie has vetoed. No more green in this house because there's a lot of green. So I might go with more of a grayish, beigeish green.
What is that?
We'll see. I don't know.
Brown?
Brown? No. I'm not actually sure on color yet, but I might do the same thing where I like paint the ceiling in here, everything. I'm adding in tons of molding everywhere. I want molding. Molding just adds so much texture and richness to a home. Like even if you live in a newer home and you add in molding, it's just like levels it up.
Who's doing that? Are you doing that or me?
Well, I'd like to learn. So
I think I'm gonna have you do that one.
I'm gonna try. I wanna learn. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing the molding. It's gonna be good. So this room will be a lot more just like probably darker, moody, kind of draw you in, similar to the bathroom. But right now it's a bright white space because we just wanted to get it clean and fresh in here to start. I might even add like a mural wallpaper thing. I got lots of ideas. So this room will be upcoming, but for now it's just fresh and clean. And then this room, as you can see,
this is real life here.
Real
life tool organization.
This is our tools. Yes. This room it used to be the old kitchen. It's very small. So this will become our sunroom. I want to do a lot of like glazed tile work in here with a little bar kitchenette. I want to do a LaCroix on tap with a fridge and a sink. This overlooks the pool, so this is going to be a really fun room.
Yeah, there you go. Got it.
So this is going to be a really fun room when you come in from the pool, and there's going to be like drinks and snacks, but you can also like sit in here and enjoy coffee and look out at the backyard.
The reason we're saving it to last is because this wall is going to be moved 2 feet this way,
right,
as well. So it's going to get smaller yet because our mudroom and laundry room is on the other side. We're trying to get more space over there. Sorry for hitting you. Sorry.
That's okay. So yes. So this room we kind of are just ignoring for now while we finish out all the details of the rest of the house. But the rest of the house is like coming together and feeling super livable, super nice. We even got like our old just print and arts on the wall. We're making it more homey in here. So it's just feeling really good. And it's almost Christmas time, so we're gonna start decorating for Christmas. So we have a lot of fun projects coming up. The tile work is next, so stay tuned for those videos because we have a lot of new house updates coming. So we will see you guys next time.